Hey, so we are going ahead and we're going to start this YouTube channel. Are you ready? Are you ready? You've been thinking about it for a long time and you're going, just how do I go about doing it? I know I want to do it, but I'm not quite sure what to do. So guess what? I'm here to hold your hand and we're going to move through this process slowly. Slowly. Not like those other tutorials that go click, 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 and they fly their cursor all over the screen. No. Weezy's going to hold your hand and we're going to go ahead and we're going to start this YouTube channel because really it is where you want to start out even before you make those videos because you've got to have some place to put those videos, right? So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so for most of this, I am going to be sharing my screen and taking you through step by step. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set up a channel for my husband because this way I can show you from start to finish how to do your YouTube channel. So the most important thing you need to know before starting your YouTube channel is you must either have a Google account or a Gmail account. And that's just the way it is. This is Google's platform, and you just have to play by their games. If you don't want to play by their games, then maybe you want to find a different platform. But for today's purposes, we're going ahead and we are doing Google. So this is what Barry's account looks like so far. And then right here, you see these 9 little dots. I call them stacks. Anyway, you're going to push on that and then you're going to come down in here, and these may be in different order on your computer, but right here you're going to hit YouTube. Okay, so that has taken me to my account. So I want to get out of my account and I'm going to go over here to switch account, and hopefully, yes, I scroll down and there is Barry under his Gmail account. It's going to say your channel, YouTube Studio. We're going to go ahead and go to your channel. And this is where we're going to start our journey. Right here with this button it says customize channel. So let's go ahead and push that blue button that says customize channel. And it says, welcome to your YouTube channel studio. YouTube Studio is personalized insights and latest news, insiders, tips, and analytics for more. So let's go ahead and hit continue. And it's going to bring us to this page. A lot of this information we're going to talk about in later things. We're just going to get your channel started and show you where you can go to upload your videos. So we're going to create channel art and upload videos. Everything else will be in later videos. Come down here to settings. And channel. And you're going to select your residence. So we're going to go find United States. Here we go, United States right here. Click on that. Okay, we are going to go ahead and we're going to fill in a few keywords. So Barry's channel is about how to do things, how to fix things, how to plant things. He's a handy guy. So Barry Summy. And then here you can hit return or use a comma to separate your keywords. Barry Summy, how to fix and hit return. How to do. Okay, that's enough to get us started. So we're going to go ahead and put those in there. You can use up to 500 characters. If you want to see how many characters you have used, down here right below the box, this is how many characters you have used, the 39, and you can use up to 500. So that is all we want for so we're going to go up here and go into advanced settings. Let's see what we have here. We're not going to worry about that right now. Okay, this is important. Feature availability. Standard features to upload your videos, create a playlist, and add collaborators and new videos to play. That is enabled. If your videos are going to be over 15 minutes, you want to create custom thumbnails, do live streaming and content ID, you are going to have to get verified. So come, let's see what you need to do for that. So all you have to do is if you want to go that far, you're going to have to verify with a, and then down here to advanced features, this is where you're going to have to expand your reach with YouTube beyond these advanced features. Create more lively streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, enable live streams. This is available in order to, so if you start creating and you want to get to the more advanced features, if you want to start monetizing your channel, this is the criteria right here. 1K subscribers and 4K watch hours. So that's what you're going to need to do for a while in order to get up there to be able to do that. This is the information there. I'm going to go back to advanced settings. You can go in here and quickly set up do not show potentially inappropriate words. You can choose if you want to display people who have subscribed to your channel. I'm going to unclick that because we're just getting started. Maybe after you get up to a higher number so it shows, you might want to do that. Disable interest-based ads. They will run ads on your videos if you want them to or not, unless you click this button. So we're going to go ahead and click that button. And then under other settings, let's go here. You see down here, there's this blue. That means that link is live. You can click on that. That's more information. And it's right where we want to be. Manage our channel. For today's tutorial, we're going to go right here and we are going to hit create new channel. Add channel name. So that is Barry's How To. And that's all we need to do for that. And it says, I understand you have to click this agreement in order to move forward. I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. If you want to learn more about that, click here, because once again, if you hover over that, you're going to see the little blue line. It's blue words, meaning it's a live link. So if you ever see the line in colored lettering, that means that's a live link. So once we click that and agree to that, this create button becomes live. So it now becomes the blue, meaning it's live, and we're going to hit that. And it's going to say create. Now that's all you really need to do. You can start uploading your videos right here. But we don't want to do that. No, we want to do more. We want to do some channel art. Come back here to channel customization, branding. This link is live. Down here to pictures, go to change, hit change, and we're going to hit this icon. It brought us right to your folder, and we're going to pick this picture of Barry that we just created, and we're going to hit change. Here we can move it around just a little bit. We can move that up just a little bit so it captures his face. And that's all you really need to see, because this doesn't really show up real big. But anyways, there is Barry's face. Now we're going to go on to banner image. This part requires patience, and it can be a little tedious to set this up. Okay, so to learn more, you do want to go over here, but I'm just going to say, when you are customizing this channel, they give you this big number. That is for the TV. We want it to be smaller. I don't exactly know. So this is where the fussing comes in. We're going to go over, remember we went over here to Canva. We're going to go back to Canva. We're going to create new design. Let's hit that again. Let's get rid of that so that we get a selection, and some YouTube channel art. That gives you the perfect template for the big outline. Or you can go into templates and choose something. Anything that has these little crowns, see where my finger is pointing right here and it says Pro, that means those cost money. Here is one that is free. It is basic and it is simple, and that's all we need for today. For today's purposes, we're just going to stay with the picture of the wolf, but we're going to change out the wording. And so that is what it is when it looks like that. So whatever text you want to change, just go up here and it's going to click. So now you can change the size of that to make it smaller, which you're probably going to want to do for this art. And then you can click and drag your mouse across the top to select all of that, or just click on the box until all of that turns blue, because then that means that is an active link where you can change the text. Go ahead and hit delete. It's going to clear out that wording, and we are going to put in Barry's how to semicolon. Okay, I don't like how that looks, so I'm going to stretch this out so that it's all in one sentence. And then down here, the subtitle, we're going to put a little subtitle. Learn, helps if you can type right. Learn how to fix or build things around the house. Done. Okay, so this is the right size, but what you really have to focus on is what goes right here, and you're going to see why when we go back to add this in. So we're going to share this again, and we're going to go down here to download and hit that. So for higher quality, you want a PNG, but for the sake of this, because we want a smaller file size, we're going to go ahead and use the JPG, or people call that a JPEG file. That is the file extension. So we want to go ahead and we're going to hit that. Now, if you wanted to resize it, that's going to be a premium. If you wanted to change the quality, make this a larger, change the quality of this, lower or higher, again, here you see the little crown, that is going to be a premium. But we're just going to go ahead and we're going to hit download, and it's going to pop that picture in there. We want to put that in how to set up your YouTube channel. So whatever folder you're working in, that's where you want to put this, because file management is really important when you are doing things like this. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. And we're going to click out. We're going to click out of Canva. And go back over here to channel art customization, and we're going to hit banner image, and we're going to hit upload. We're going to hit right here and open. So see here, this is going to show you where everything is going to show up. If we use the big folder that we made, it's viewable on the whole TV. Only this whole strip, see how it runs all the way across that box? That's going to be viewable on a desktop. We want viewable on all devices, because most people are going to watch most of these videos on their phone. And so this is where the most important part of your design, of your customization, takes place. So that's what we want to focus on today, is just getting this part done. Go ahead, hit done. So your channel art is in, and we want to go up here to down here to where it says video watermark. The watermark will appear on all your videos at the right hand corner of your video player. An image that is 150 by 150 pixels is recommended. Use a PNG or JPEG file that is 1 megabit or less. So we're going to go over here. Let's hit upload. And I have this subscribe button right here. Let's see if that will work. Doesn't quite fit, but we can adjust it. So it says subscribe, so that this hand is representing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to your channel. And you do want that. And what will happen is, every time your video plays, that little icon is going to be there on your video. And here, see here, watermark video, you see display time. You can display what time you want that to come on. Put it at the end of the video. Customize the start time or the entire video. We're going to start out, so we're going to have it run throughout the whole video. So I think we have everything set. And so in order to see it all work together, none of this will show up on our timeline until we hit publish. Click that in the upper right. Down here at the bottom it says go to channel. So let's go there and see what happens. So up here we have a nice banner for Barry's channel. And then down below is his face. That's all to create your channel art. So let's move ahead and see how you go ahead and upload that first video. So cruise on over here and go to create. You see the little camera icon with the plus on it? Click that. It's going to say create underneath. Once you hover over it, click that. Now you have two options. You can go live or you can upload video. I am going to say, if you are doing a lot of talking head videos and you just want to talk and get done, don't care about a lot of editing, this may be the way for you, because you can go ahead and go live, get your video done and up on your page. But you can only do that at this time using your laptop or desktop. You have to hit that criteria of 1,000 subscribers before they will allow you to go live from your phone. So we want to go over here to upload video, and then you get this dashboard. It says select files. So you can either select your files or you can drop and drag. Well, before I did this, I would go, do you know what you want to upload in there? Okay, so we're going to go over here. So you can go straight to your folder or you can hit select files. If you go straight to your folder, you just go over here to down to the bottom. I have my folders right here. I can click on that and I will hit videos. And then I believe this folder, Weezy's videos, I have a video that I helped Barry make, plant stand. Here is his finished video. So I'm going to pick that video and I'm just going to drag it down to my Chrome button at the bottom and drag it right in there, and it's going to bring it up. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, hit select files and go back and find where your thing is. So we have plant stand. So we want to go, we want our title to have one of our keywords in there. So we're going to put in here Barry, how to build a plant stand. And then here you're going to want to tell people what your video is about. So Barry shares plan and instructions of how to build your own beautiful plant stand. If you have gone ahead and verified that second part of your thing, you can upload a thumbnail. We cannot. But you can just push on this and we could still verify here. I'm going to go ahead and put in your phone number and then hit the button Get Code. And then it's going to come in as a text message. Okay, so on the phone verification, it is a two-part. So now you got that code from your phone and you're going to enter those digits here on, right here on this red line. And we're going to hit submit. Phone number verified. There we go. Go up here to the top and we're going to click out of that and come back over here. And now we can upload that thumbnail. Okay, so if you don't get that may take a little bit of time in order to get that uploaded thumbnail. So you may have to use one of these pictures that once this is done processing will come through. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill in some of these questions that they're asking us. Do you want to select a playlist? Select, and this is where you can create a new playlist. Go right here. What do you want to call that playlist? Um, we're going to call this Berries Builds. Make that public. Now, if this, we're going to look at audience. Is this geared towards kids? This is the biggest question that they're going to ask. Answer whatever you need to answer. Mine is no. You can put in an age restriction by pulling down here. Would you want to restrict your video to an adult audience? For our purposes, no, we do not need to. Yes, and then, but you can put, yes for over 18. Let's see. Show more. Paid promotion. So I click the show more. Paid promotion. Do you get paid for the content that you are talking about on here? If you are, click that box. You have to show that. We are not, so we're leaving it blank. Automated chapters. That is an eligibility criteria. We don't have that, but click it so that when you begin, you do. And then tags. Anything that you want to add to this. So we filled in our keywords earlier. Now we want to put tags on this. So we want to put wood furniture. Again, just use your comma and that will give you your keyword. Plants. How to build a plant stand. These would all be good samples of tag words that you would want to use. These are the words that people are going to use to search for your video. Now, we come on down here and we do video language. And we're going to go ahead and, oops, we want English. English. There's different types of English. We want plain English. Caption certification. No, we don't have that. Because it's not going to be on TV. We're just doing it on here. Recording date and location. Recording date. If it's old videos, you can go ahead and predate them. I'm just going to put in this. I'm just going to put in South Carolina for video location. It's down here. Just so that it just gives a little more information so when people are searching. Now, you're going to have a standard license. Everybody gets that. Allow embedding and publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. You do want to click these because if you don't, wherever you go and put these links in someplace else, the video is not going to show up. But give them, so you have to allow them to give that to you. Allow people to sample this content. Again, if you don't do this, your video doesn't show up. So let's move on down here to category. Add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. We have people and blogs. Let's see what else we have. We have autos and vehicles, music, pets and animal, sports, travel, gaming, people, comedy, entertainment, news, how to, and style. That is the perfect category for us. And then down here, this is how you can handle the comments and ratings that come in after people view your videos. So, comment visibility. Hold potentially inappropriate. Allow all comments. Hold all comments for review. Disable comments. So, say you're just starting out and you're afraid what people might say. Go ahead, disable those comments. It's fine. It's fine. You can always come back and change these at any time. Now, the way I'm showing you, you're going to have to do this each time. In another video, I will show you how you can automate this so this will come through on all your videos. But for this video, I'm going to hit for hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. And do you want top comments or newest? I would do newest so that you're always up to date. You can share how many people like your video, or you can unclick that. We are going to go to next. This is advanced stuff that we're not going to go in today. You're just starting out. We do not need this stuff to start out with. You can always come back and change that later. We're going to go to next. Here we're at checks. Most of your issues might come from the music that you choose. You cannot use popular music without permission. So it's best to go find royalty-free music. There is a library here in YouTube where you can choose music to use for free. It is right over here in this grayed out area, audio library. And you can find music right there to use in your videos. The other thing is using other people's content without their permission might get you a strike. You need to put in a disclaimer giving a link of where you can find that content. Sometimes even with the restricted music, you might have to give credit to the artist. That's all they're asking for is a little credit, and you just type that in on your video. Next, we have visibility. Okay, here this is where you mark what you want to make your video visible. You can make it private so only you see the video. You can mark it unlisted. Only somebody with a link can watch this. Public, anybody can watch your video. And then you see this set as an instant premiere. If you click that, when your video goes live, you can instantly interact for a period of time with comments that you think are going to come up on your video. And you can view the video live at the same time with the people who are watching. Or, and this is what I recommend, hit schedule. Because with YouTube, you want to have your times and your days of the week set consistently of when you upload videos. This is imperative when establishing your YouTube videos. I'm going to suggest this schedule. It is imperative when you sign up with YouTube and you are really wanting to make this channel work and get viewers to view your videos is to have a set times and days in which you're going to upload videos. Maybe you want to upload just once a week. Set that day of the week of when you're going to share that video and when you are, what time. So when do you think people are going to watch your videos, or a good time you know that you can have those videos ready to upload for that time of day. But YouTube looks for this consistency. And so the simplest way to be consistent is to schedule it. Then the video will go public at that time. So for this video, since this is really a dummy channel for right now, I'm just going to hit it private. And this is the thumbnail that they chose for us. This is all I'm going to do for today. So next time I will talk to you about making your customized thumbnail. We'll go back through on how to verify so that you can make these. And then we will go back and another video will be how to automate and filling in some of those details for automation. But this is all I have for today, everybody. I hope to see you soon with Weezy. Bye.